Now we're looking at naming different functional groups. The first type that we're going to look at is an alcohol. The ending is once again in the name, where it ends in "ol." So in this case, if I were to have something like this, where one, I have to identify the longest carbon chain. So how many carbons do I have? I have 1, 2, and 3. That's why this is propanol. But I still have to place the location of that alcohol group or OH group. So that's why this would be at 2, which is 2 here. So I have to place the location of it, and it ends in ol. Let's do another example. Looking at something a little bit more complicated like this. Let's start off with just identifying what our longest carbon chain is. So I'm going to start here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So why didn't I start the opposite way? Why didn't I start from left to right? Well, this OH group, if I'm comparing it, if I'm trying to see will the alcohol group or will the